Good. Hello.
Hello.
And then very first question on this my short talk. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Clinton Stanley. I'm from North Carolina in the United States, and this is my second time in Mongolia.
Wow, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
And
sir.
my second question is, why you choose Mongolia on this trip, please?
It's just so different. It's different than anywhere else that I've been in the world, and I'm always excited to get to come here. And the main thing is the people are so nice. Every time they're very kind, so I appreciate it.
Wow. And then good luck for your next meetings.
Thank you,
And
sir.
we are very sure Mongolians are ready to meet with you and share their culture, yes? And then very final question on this our short talk, that is, what do you want to say our Mongolians? What is your word to us? And what is your question to our Mongolians?
One thing I want to say is just thank you for having me and always being so hospitable and welcoming. And I guess my question would be, I don't know if you have any tips. Like I asked you earlier, you said you and your wife been married for 27 years. So tips for maybe like a happy marriage or something.
Wow, thank you. And then I really want to keep this moment, this experience moment, and starting friends, family friends, and by this video. And then I want to keep that moment, just this moment.
Yes.
And then let's continue our communication.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you.